I'm Allen Koensigsburg. I'm the executive director here at Moraga Valley Presbyterian Church. We're up here on a hill in Moraga, California. We have a little over 550 members. Typically, we're using this building here, this sanctuary, for worship services and then for events that happen. I was actually out of town and I was notified that our heating system was not functioning. There was no heat coming out. Obviously, in a situation in mid-December, people are complaining. So we had a situation where a technician came out, checked our boiler system. It wasn't working, so at that point in time, I was thinking about what kind of solutions would work for us. I realized it would have to be a 24/7 company that could come out and help us, because it was pretty late at night when I finally found Air Solutions. I just immediately got a response, and I needed someone to come out the next morning. I thought might present an issue, but it didn't at all. The person that I was talking to at Air Solutions said, we'll set it up the next morning. Air Solutions was out here and dropping off the machines. We were up and running very early in the morning, fortunately, to be able to start heating up the building. I would totally recommend Air Solutions for, really for any kind of situation where, the heat is out or the air is out. It was an affordable solution for us, and it worked out because we had that flexibility to be able to use the machines a little bit longer than we anticipated. So I would highly recommend Air Solutions for sure.